Good morning from the Galilee district. This is Anne's Broadcasting Corporation, the only independent news channel that you will find in Galilee. The main headlines today are about a man called Jesus. Now, we have reported on Jesus before. Apparently last week in the synagogue, he healed a man and he taught in a way that really impressed people, with a knowledge that really was something they hadn't heard before. However, it did not go down too well with the authorities in the synagogue. Later on, Jesus went to Simon's house. Now, Simon is one of his followers. And while he was there, apparently, Simon's mother-in-law, who had been very ill, Jesus healed her. Now, whether this is true or not, we don't know at this point. So we have sent Ben, one of our reporters, down to Capernaum to talk to Simon's mother-in-law. So I'm just going to see if Ben is ready for us. Hello, Ben, are you there?
Yes, standing outside Simon's home. Thank you for agreeing to speak to me. First of all, can you say who you are and then tell us what happened when Jesus was staying here?
Well, Ben, I'm Simon's mother-in-law, and I've really not been feeling well for quite a wee while. I had a bad fever and I'd just taken to my bed and I was just exhausted.
Could you tell us what happened then?
Well, Simon, he's a great son-in-law. He brought Jesus home and I came to see how I was doing. Jesus came into my room and he took my hand and immediately I felt better.
You felt better straight away? Do you mean that you were healed? Is that what you're saying?
I am indeed. I felt better than I had in years. In fact, I felt so good. I made them all sit down and then I made them something to eat. And Jesus, he just looked so tired.
Did anything else happen following this?
Well, Ben, as you can probably see looking around you, it's quite a small town and everybody soon heard that I was up and about and that it was all because of Jesus. So they started bringing all their sick friends and relatives and Jesus healed them too.
And is Jesus here now?
No, Jesus got up early to go and pray and then he and Simon and the rest of them went to the other villages around here so Jesus can tell the people about God.
Thank you very much. And you're feeling great now?
I've never felt better.
Thank you very much. All from here and back to Anne in the studio.
Thank you, Ben. Well, folks, it seems from what Ben was saying and the mother-in-law was saying that she really was healed by Jesus. Oh, hold on a minute. Just reports are coming in of another incident involving Jesus. It happened in a village quite near where Ben is. It's just first reports are saying that a man with leprosy has been miraculously healed by Jesus. Let's see if we can get Ben to the scene. Apparently it's not too far away from where he is now. Hello, Ben, are you there yet?
Well, there's a crowd of people round a man over there. Let's see if they know anything. Hello? Can anyone tell me where to find the man who claims to be healed?
I'm that man.
Well, I must admit, you look fine. Can you tell me what happened? Please speak clearly into the microphone.
Sure. I'd heard about this man, Jesus, and what he was doing, healing people and all that. But, of course, having leprosy, I couldn't go near him. People don't like it, just in case they get it.
So what actually did you do?
Well, Jesus came to the village and I thought, this is my chance. And to pot with the others, I'm not going to miss my chance. So I just went as near Jesus as I could. Seeing him, I was a bit overcome. He just wasn't like the others.
What do you mean, in looks, or in what way was he not like the others?
Well, you see, he looked at me with such love, something that I haven't known for a long, long time. It just showed in his face somehow. Then he said he was willing and clean. My whole body just felt clean, inside and out. I looked down and it was gone. The leprosy was gone.
Well, you certainly don't look as if you have leprosy.
I don't, I'm cured.
Did Jesus say anything else?
Yeah, well, he told me to go to the temple and show myself to the priest and give thanks to God. He also said that I was to tell no one. I shouldn't really be speaking to you or anyone else. But I was just so excited.
Is Jesus still about? Can I talk to him?
No, he's gone. You see, because of my big mouth, Jesus had to leave. There were just too many people wanting him.
Thank you for your time. I'm glad you're well. He definitely doesn't have leprosy, and his friends and family have said that up until today he was covered with it. I can't quite seem to get my head around this. This is Ben Abelman from a region in Galilee, back to the studio.
Well, everyone, you have to make up your own minds what you think about Jesus. Apparently, there have been 3 miraculous healings, and we have reported on these. People are flocking to Jesus, and they want to have healing, but they also want to hear what he has to say. I'm sure in the days that lie ahead, we will hear a lot more about this man, Jesus. So keep tuning in and keep listening, and bye for now.